In kind of your own words, how would you describe your role as HR manager after being here for 5 years?
That's a great question because every day is a little bit different. So I'm the HR support for several different functions within Viking Pump.
I worked in Viking Pump's PE lab for 13 years. Now I'm part of the applications team.
So I did an internship here. Once I graduated, transitioned into a production planning and scheduling type of role, and then recently transitioned to production manager for about 2 years now over the assembly team.
So I started at Viking 6.5 years ago as an account manager with the OEM team, moved up as a senior account manager and then a supervisor. Currently I'm the customer support manager for the OEM and energy teams. I really started with OEM, but I got to work with energy here or there. Really cool to see just starting out having no knowledge of pumps and not knowing what any of the components are to having a lot more knowledge, but even looking more at the process and how we can continue to grow better each day.
I did not have the foundry when I first started, and I have the foundry now. So that was a huge change in responsibilities since we have a union in the foundry. And I actually had no experience working in a union environment when I started here. I'm just always looking for something new to learn, a new challenge, and that gave me both of those things at once.
As you look back on that first year, how's it gone?
I think it's gone great. I mean, I've learned so much, and part of my goals were to promote me to get to that position. Processes were in place, do the job shadowing, did a good job of preparing me for this position.
I've had some great mentors along the way, ones that have really pushed me to be the best that I can be. I think those kinds of opportunities are important because it helps motivate. You don't want to become complacent in what you do. You want to enhance your knowledge and gives you more confidence to take on those supervisory or managerial type of roles if that's what you're interested in.
I would say for me personally, I have a desire to continue to learn new things and to continue to grow, and I think that really keeps myself and other employees interested. Viking is really great about utilizing each person's skills and strengths that can benefit the company and the employees.
I've been an HR manager in the past. I've been a consultant in the past. I came into this role as an HR business partner, but it gave me the opportunity to learn new things, which for me was what I was looking for to grow my career. And I think regardless of what the end goal is, the team is here to support that. There's a way to meet the career aspirations of everybody.